All right, I want you to listen to this. There's talking in the background, so be aware for that. I want you to listen to this because whilst I'm talking on this recording, if you were to listen with headphones, you could very faintly hear gaslighting from downstairs. And whilst I'm talking, you can hear people messing around with the plug from next door. I haven't moved. I'm all the way over here on my bed. My dictaphone was over there. So I was over here on my bed. The dictaphone was over there whilst I was talking. And I want you to listen to this. Again, because it's the dictaphone, you can only very faintly hear it with headphones up loud, right? But listen to what happens here. Whilst I'm talking, that's when they start fiddling around with the knobs because they think the dictaphone won't pick it up if I'm talking. Didn't work out like that. Listen very carefully. Because the thing is, what set me off? Listen, there was a very faint... And now you can hear some bullshit from outside. Right now.
It's ridiculous. And now they're trying to play on my intelligence to try and make me sound like I'm fucking lying.
At the time when I was talking, there was gaslighting from downstairs.
It's ridiculous. And now they're trying to play on my intelligence to try and make me sound like I'm fucking lying. Do you fucking hear this shit?
Nope. You're barely going to hear it unless you got
What I'm gonna
headphones.
do is just read my book. What is the problem? Reading a book. And now they're fucking around with the plug again because they think that if I'm talking, the dictaphone can't hear it.
You guys are hearing everything that's going on right now as I'm recording this.
This is ridiculous. Like reading a book. Reading a book is literally like a complex web. I can't. I fucking can't. When I make noise and when I play my music, turn the music down. All this fucking whining, and yet when I try to be quiet and read a book, I'm not even reading a book. I'm reading 5 words out of the dictionary. I can't get 1 ounce of quiet for that, and yet these people wanna. You know what?
Now it's.
These people have no dignity.
Now you can hear what's going on outside.
No self-respect.
So not only are you hearing the gaslighting from the video, barely, you're hearing gaslighting from outside.
Book. 37 minutes 25. 37 minutes 27. I'm keeping this on. Yeah, you see, you can hear that next door.
Yeah. Listen to that. Did you just hear that? That wasn't me. That was from next door.
37 minutes 25. 37 minutes 27. I'm keeping this on. Yeah, you see, you can hear that next door.
What did I tell you?
These people are thinking that just because I'm talking, it doesn't matter. You can still hear it.
Plugs. Not me.
Reading a book.
Not me. So what the fuck is going on over there? Do you understand what I'm saying? This is exactly what I'm talking about. They do things like this in order to try and paint a picture in everyone's minds that I'm just paranoid and that I'm just making it up. You heard on the dictaphone, I'm not making it up. That's not me scraping shit across the wall. That's them scraping shit across the wall as I'm talking. Because they think the dictaphone's not going to pick it up if I'm talking. So this is one of the reasons why I have my dictaphone on. It's not just to get evidence, because the thing is, the way they do things, they gaslight and then they have the dictaphone off, right? They gaslight and then they have the dictaphone off. So what I do, if I want to get some peace and quiet so I can do some reading or I can do some studying, sometimes I won't even have the dictaphone on to get evidence. Sometimes I have it on just to get quiet because I know they're going to quieten down if they think I'm recording something. And even now, you heard all that gaslighting shit from outside. You heard all that yelling from outside. You know what I'm saying? And then you know what? Then you're hearing that shit. You're hearing that shit from outside as I'm recording. So even as I'm recording, there's some gaslighting bullshit from outside. And now everybody's saying, oh, you're just making that shit up. Now you know I'm not. It's constant. It is, and it's not even just from this building. It's from other buildings as well. People I don't know from a can of paint. But then again, that's gang stalking. About somebody move out. Get the fuck out of here with that. So now you know, now all of you understand, right? That Iris Davis has been lying and Sarah from Network Homes has been lying about something. Because if that bitch has moved out, why is her clothes still down there? First of all. Second of all, it's one of two things. If Samira Igal is not over there, right, then that would mean it was either contractors over there or fucking staff members over there dragging shit across the wall for no reason. Do you understand what I'm saying? They're acting like, oh, if Samira Igal is not over there doing that, then that means I'm making it up, or that just makes it better, and suddenly everybody's off the hook. No, if it's not Samira Igal over there doing that shit, that means the staff members or contractors doing that shit just to piss me off. Do you understand? Do you understand? It does not let these motherfuckers off the hook for a second. So either way, it sounds bad. I just wanted to read a book, guys. I wasn't looking for a fight. And when you saw me on you see what happened on Thursday? What they thought they could do was to get me losing my temper again and get me to lose it in a way that either gives them evidence that I'm violent or gives them evidence that I'm making the shit up or that I'm paranoid. Now you're hearing I'm not paranoid. Because I've got fucking evidence. This is crazy. These people are acting like victims all over the damn place. And yet you can see what's been happening with me. You can see what the fuck they do, the games they play. Man. Even now, you can hear stuff from next door going on now. Barely, if you turn the headphones on. I'm on live. They're still going. This is the kind of foolishness that they do. They're going to continue today. They're going to try and continue to get something out of me today. But then again, like, I've already asked for the surrendered tenancy. I've already been reported. So, like, what more can they do at this point? I literally busted into somebody else's flat and fuck their shit up. If I'm not getting evicted by now. You understand? And look, listen to this. Listen to this. Listen to this. Did you hear that shit? They're scraping all kinds of shit across the wall. Why do that? You're on fucking live. Why do that? Idiot. And you know, hang on a sec. This is what I'm talking about. Constant mind games. Constant mind games. There's no need for any of this. If it's just contractors coming over here and trying to make sure that everything is taken out and everything is done, there's no need for all this skullduggery. There's no need for it. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Literally. Anyway, listen, I gotta go. I've got some more reading to do. I've got some more reading to do. This foolishness is going to carry on for quite some time. Again, if it's contractors over there and they're just doing their job, cool. I don't mind admitting when I'm wrong. You've seen it before. But the way these people are behaving, it don't make no damn sense. It doesn't make any sense. Get off the fucking live. Later.